we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good boy. Welcome back, everybody. Just a little quick video here of a, I believe, one item package. We're going to do a little unboxing, unbagging here. This is actually from Etsy. So let's get this guy out of here. And this one is from UAB Militaire, but they also have a slightly different name. I'll put it in the description of the video. Let's see here. Oh, this actually came from, looks like a storefront. So, let's see. This is actually out of Lithuania. Let's see if I can actually get there. You can search on that. And it's just quick hat item. So it says German. And it's a Boonie style hat in the tropical desert fleck tarn pattern. And there's our label marking. Again, this is an Etsy purchase from UAB Militaire, but they do have another full name. I'll put that again in the description so you guys can check it out and search on it. They have a bunch of other items that come and go. And looks like we got the little leather piece there too. Very nice. And if you notice, the fleck tarn pattern is also on the strap as well. So, this is a super quick video. Unboxing, unbagging of an Etsy item, UAB Militaire. And check out the description for the actual full name to search on. We have other unboxing, unbagging videos in the playlist. Feel free to check those out. We also do show and tell videos on specific items in the playlist. Check that out if you like. And some curios for the curious, more artsy items as well. So feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.